Great player.
Just a minute away from the conclusion of this encounter. It's a chance for the winning side. Oh, this could be 5 now, 6 coming from number 12, Hlope Malibongwe. 6 goals to fly and become the champions of the Manzini region. A beautiful finish coming from the number 12 there, Hlope Malibongwe. Tawon Dlamini, the goalkeeper, coming out with that decisive thinking, and then he was hit where he hurts the most, and he did. 6-2 is the score so far.
6-2 is the score so far. But that's respectable. At 10 minutes to go, they won 4-2. But 2 more goals have been scored by Bosco. There's a center score of Manchester serving. There's a stone pegging up for Bafana Best. No exposure by 40 Bafana Best. They should learn something from this encounter. They've been exposed high football, intensity football. So we believe next season they will come back.